What's crackin'? My name is Hans, and for today's video guys, may share tayo sa inyong bagong site na pagkakakitaan nyo guys through GCash. So maraming way of cash out dito, pero ang pinaka main point naman natin guys is kumita sa GCash kasi yun yung pinaka madaling way when it comes to withdrawal dito guys sa Pilipinas. So ngayon guys, is-share na natin sa inyo guys etong site na ito, and let's go! So guys, eto yung life points. So dito guys, madali lang naman mag-register. Hindi ko na ituturo sa inyo. Kailangan nyo lang i-verify guys yung inyong mga Gmail. Tapos pagkatapos nun, may makuha agad kayo dito guys na libreng 10 points. So yung 10 points na yan, kailangan nyo na lang guys ng 250 more para kumita guys ng 200 pesos. So pakita natin sa inyo guys yung rewards. Ayan. Sa rewards, click nyo lang yan. Click nyo lang tong browse reward. Makikita nyo dito guys, may GCash, Globe, GrabFood, Lazada, Smart, and Zalora. Sa GCash guys, pag click nyo yan, meron ditong 500, 1,000, and 200. Sa 200, kailangan nyo guys ng 260 life points. So ngayon, paano nyo ba makakuha yan? Click nyo lang tong surveys. Ayan. So pagka-click nyo guys ng surveys, ayan, makikita nyo dito guys yung mga pwede nyong i-take. For example, itong 10 life points, click nyo lang yan. Okay. So, ayan, pagka-click nyo yan, in a few words, tell us why did you join Life Points. Okay, so lalagay nyo lang dito. For example, to earn money. Ayan. Okay, click lang natin tong submit. So, ganito lang guys mga example questions na meron sila. So, we catch your relevant. Also, yung age. For example, kahit tulaan nyo lang to guys. Ayan, 1997. Ayan. Yung month is 4. Ayan, 28 years old. So, ayan, lagay nyo lang dito man. Mailing street address. Okay, so, ayan. Ito guys, skip ko lang to saglit. So, ito na guys yung iba pang question. How many people live in your household? 3. Yes, my child. Do you are expecting any children under age of 18? Under. Yes. Lagay nyo lang dito, invento na lang kayo guys. Okay, so more on 2000 siguro yan, mga 2004, ayan, tas mil. Okay, tapos please indicate your income. So income, so ayan, lagay nyo lang. What is your household combined monthly income per taxes? So ayan. What is your current employment? Yan, self-employed. What is your personal position in the company? Prefer not to say which of the following categories best describe the primary industry of the company you work for. So yeah, advertising and marketing. How would you define your ethnicity? So we are more as Asian. So finish na natin guys. Okay, check natin kung may makuha ako dito. So dahil dun guys sa basic information na yun, i-check nila dun guys kung eligible ka doon sa kanilang mga surveys. So ayun din yung magiging basehan. What is your favorite children's TV show? Okay, lagay lang natin. Submit. So answer next time question honestly and accurately so that we can shape your overall life points experience. Okay? So ayan. Favorite. Okay, so okay, ang daming tanong guys eh. So ayun, maubos yung oras natin. So ayun lang yung may example guys na service dito. So sagutan nyo lang yan guys. Ako hindi ko masyadong sinagutan ng tama kasi nga guys, gumagawa tayo ng video. So baka makita nyo mga personal information ko. Ngayon sa community, meron din sila dito. Community sa account. Ito yung account. So ayan. Ito guys, may pinamimigay din sila dito sa community. So basically, more on service lang siya. Tapos sila na mismo mag-aanap sa'yo dito guys ng mga information na kailangan mo. And kung mapapansin nyo, marami namang available dito guys na surveys. Click nyo lang tong top surveys, ongoing surveys. So ayan, kayo nang bahala guys. Hanggang maka-reach kayo ng 260 point, ayun na yung magiging way nyo guys para makapag-withdraw dito guys ng 200 pesos guys sa GCash. So yun lang guys, at sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. And para sa ating pag-giveaway, mag-comment lang kayo dyan guys ng mga bagay na natutunan nyo dito sa ating pagre-review. Don't forget guys na ilagay yung inyong mga GCash number at i-raffle na lang natin yan guys. So wala na tayong paunahan and wala na rin tayong hidden word. So kailangan ko na lang guys mag-comment kayo ng genuine answer nyo regarding your experience or your review regarding this site. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat at once again this is Hans and goodbye.